Hello everyone, we are from Group 16, SEAA 2012, Section 2, Semester 2 2020-2021. This video is about Open-Ended Laboratory, G4-1 Core Logging. Our group members are Muhammad Adib Adam, Seaa, Muhammad AFIQ HILMI, Nur AMIRAH NAZURAH, and Nur ATHIRAH NAJWA. Introduction. Rock descriptions are made on samples recovered from boreholes and excavations or from examination of the in-situ materials. Strength, weathering effects, and discontinuities are three characteristics of a rock that play a major role in determining its engineering properties. The objective of this test is to obtain physical description and RQD of rock cores recovered from boreholes drilling. For the theory, rocks in the form of natural outcrops, cores, and excavated surface normally described in the following manner. First, material characteristics: strength, structure, color, texture, gram size, and rock name. Second, general information, additional information and minor constituents, geological information. Third, mass characteristic, state of weathering, discontinuities, and fracture state.
For the procedure, first we measured the total length of the core run and the length of core recovered, and then we calculated the core recovery using the core recovery formula. Then we measured the discontinuity of the core one by one, and then we calculated the core quality designation using the formula.
Hello, I am AFIQ. Today I will explain about the results of all the experiments. The figures show the plan view of core pieces. Firstly, the C1 has the length 1400 mm and the original length is 1500 mm. Secondly, the C2 has the length 1490 mm and the original length is 1500 mm. Thirdly, the C3 has the length 960 mm and the original length is 1500 mm. The distance of the core pieces is 210 mm.
For calculation part of this test, we have two formula, which is core recovery and rock quality designation. For core recovery formula, we have to use length of core recovered in mm divided with the length of core run, also in mm, times 100%. And for the rock quality designation formula is we use length of core in pieces, which needs to be more than 100 mm, and divided it with length of core barrel, also in mm, times 100%.
Hi, I'm Seaa. For the discussions, based on the result obtained, the RQD value for each core is core 1 88%, core 2 77.33%, core 3 54.67%. So we can conclude that core 1 and core 2 were categorized in good rock mass quality, as its RQD lies within the range of 75% to 90%, whereas for core 3, it achieved a RQD value of 54.67%, which categorized as fair rock mass quality. Now, let's move to characteristic of the core. For core 1 and core 2, core is slightly weathered, some parts broke into smaller pieces. While core 3, this core is extremely weathered, most of the parts broken into smaller pieces and some end parts are missing. For the conclusions of the experiment, the characteristic of a rock play a major role in determining its engineering properties such as rock strength, weathering effects, and discontinuities. All data and information is very useful in determining the rock characteristic below the ground and also the rock characteristic on a specific places and sliding possibilities of foundations. Therefore, safety of the construction workers and passerby is ensured.